as our application grows, we're probably going to end up with a lot more CSS and JavaScript and things that Vite needs to do more with when it's bundling our assets or even doing some other things. And you can see we are just including Vite here as a regular dependency. This is what Laravel does for basically all of its starter kits. But what we can do is use this little tool called Rolldown. And Vite is actually planning to integrate Rolldown directly into itself later down the line. But right now, this is a step we have to do manually. Essentially, Rolldown is something like Rollup, and Rollup is a tool that gets used to bundle JavaScript assets and things together. But Rolldown, as we can see here, is a modern high-performance bundler written in Rust, so it's quick. And it's focused on speed, compatibility with existing Rollup plugins, which Vite already uses, and also other optimization steps that Rollup can't currently implement. So later down the line, hopefully this won't be a thing and we won't have to make any extra steps. Vite will just do it for us. But right now we can try Rolldown Vite in our own application. And it's really, really simple to do. And here's a diff. We can just take that Vite dependency in our own application and change it from this to npm rolldown Vite latest. And if we then run pnpm update in order to read our changes, you're now going to see this works. And if we run pnpm run builds, for example, it's still going to work exactly the same way. Everything is going to be bundled. It's not going to change the output, but it's going to be that little bit faster. And when you've got lots of things going on, you really want your CI to be fast. You don't want to have to wait for changes to appear when you've got like the watcher running in your local development environment. Having things just a little bit faster is always good.